In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a qualifying form in Tally with conditional logic to disqualify responses. First, open tally.so and log in. Starting from a clean slate keeps things simple, but you can follow along with an existing form if you already have one. Once you're in, either create a new form by clicking New Form or open the form you want to update. Inside the form editor, click into the canvas and type a / to open the Add Block menu. From here, choose either multiple choice or drop-down. These block types work best for qualification because they create clear, structured answers that are easy to evaluate with logic. Write your qualification question in a way that makes the criteria obvious. For example, you might ask about budget range or location. Aim for answer choices that clearly separate qualified from unqualified responses. This will make your logic simple and reliable. Now hover over your question to reveal the toolbar. Click the 6 dots icon to open more options, then choose Conditional Logic. This panel tells Tally what to show or hide based on each selected answer. Think of it like routing. Qualified answers move people forward, while disqualifying answers reveal a clear message. For the answers that should disqualify someone, set the rule to show blocks, then pick the disqualified message block. This ensures that when a disqualifying answer is chosen, your form immediately displays the correct message instead of continuing to the rest of the form. If you have more than one disqualifying option, add rules for each one so they all route to the same message block. Open the disqualified block and add a text block with a short, respectful note, such as, "Thanks for your interest, we're not a good fit right now." You can add a bit of context if helpful, like inviting them to check back later, but keep it brief and kind. Next, click Preview and test each answer path. Select every choice to confirm the behavior. Qualified answers should allow the form to proceed as expected, and disqualifying answers should reveal your message block without exposing the rest of the form. Testing both desktop and mobile previews can help you catch small layout issues. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your logic is now live, and respondents will see the correct path based on their selection. This small setup saves time, keeps your pipeline focused, and creates a clear experience for everyone who fills out your form.